In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share location in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps. After that, just tap on this profile icon. Then go to location sharing. Then just tap on new share. Here you can see two options of location sharing. One is for 1 hour and another is until you turn this off. If I select 1 hour, you can also increase or decrease your time range from here. You can select 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm just select 1 hour. Now from here, just find the app that you want to share your location. If I select WhatsApp, then tap on share, then select WhatsApp, and then find the contact that you want to share your location. If I select it, and then tap on the send icon, and it's done. Now using the link, this person can see your current location for 1 hour. And that is how you can share location in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.